its bright, vibrant yellow packaging, welcome to a phone that needs little introduction. It is of course the C51 by RealMe. Now it's a slim looking premium style box here, it's yellow and it looks like it means business. You've got the RealMe branding, C51 on the front, and over on the back here it says it's got 33 watt fast charge, 5000 milliamp hour all day battery life, a 6.74 inch 90 Hz display, 50 megapixel AI based camera, as well as measuring in at under 8mm, just 7.99. It's ultra slim. I've got the mint green one, 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of ROM internal memory. So let's cut the seals open, let's unbox it and see what you're getting when you want an affordable price point phone that packs impressive features. First thing we're getting here is, well, neat premium looking packaging. The RealMe branding over on the side and the C51 name over on the front. On the other side over at the back here, well, we're getting some of the features. Apart from this, it's neat premium packaging. So let's cut the seals open now. Then we can see what comes inside the box here, unbox the RealMe C51 and see what it offers. Always satisfying unboxing any new device. There's the plastic seals. They have been broken. Plastic's coming off. It's off. Let's see what the box has to offer. It's a slide out style package here. Slide it out and the first lettering you're greeted with is that over on the front there, Dare to Leap by RealMe. If we pop this out, you'll see immediately you're greeted with, which is very nice to see, a slightly darkened version polycarbonate style case, the RealMe instructional manuals, and underneath, of course, you're greeted with this, the device itself. It tells you some of the features, the 33 watt ultra fast charging, the 5000 milliamp hour battery, 50 megapixels, 6.74 inch display, as well as its slim profile. It looks pretty good too, thanks to this mint green color that I've been sent. Looks very, very striking and impressive in the hand, and you can see the camera bumps over on the back, the power button and volume button arrangement, the SIM tray, as well as the USB-C port, firing speaker, and 3.5mm audio jack over on the bottom. If we take the device aside for a second, let's see what else we get in the box. Here you can see you get, which is really nice to see on this device, particularly at its price point, the charge block here, which is of course the 33 watt ultra fast charge block, comes included in the packaging, as well as of course this, a USB-C cable, C to A cable, and that's everything you get here. So having just unboxed the device, let's jump in to a quick look at using the RealMe C51. You'll notice first things first, the pin sharp style display here, almost full edge to edge. It covers 6.74 inches in screen reality, and with a 90 Hz refresh rate, you can see it looks buttery smooth, particularly here, scrolling through the very lightly overlaid menu thanks to RealMe UI. You're getting a very stock, almost vanilla Android experience and a lot of built-in functionality. Now, taking a look around the body of the device, you'll notice it's incredibly slim in the hand, measuring in at under 8 millimeters. It also has this lovely green mint finish on the one I have at the moment. You can see here at the back the camera bump and layout. Over on the side, your power button, volume rocker. At the bottom, you've got a single firing speaker, USB Type-C port, 3.5mm audio jack, and your microphone. And over on the other side, you've got your SIM tray. Other than that, you've got a neat edge-to-edge style display here, which does a great job of displaying all of the screen realty. Clicking on the camera here, you'll see there's a bunch of different shooting modes available. The big one, of course, being that 50 megapixel. It is very, very sharp and impressive, particularly when you factor in the affordable price point that this device comes in at. With Android version 13 straight out of the box, running RealMe UI version T edition out of the box, the octa-core processor, 4 gigs plus 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of ROM. This RMX 3830 model from RealMe, the C51, really does pack an impressive amount of features, and it really does stick to the slogan, Dare to Leap. If you want an impressive, affordable Android-style phone, the RealMe C51 certainly does a great job of things.